Hello my Whoop friends! Today I show you all my FPV gear. This is my main box and sometimes I need a laptop and some other stuff on Whoop races and so on. Let's see what we have here in this box. Of course, a transmitter with some aluminium gimbals and some resin stick ends. Then we have a power cable for the goggles where I can plug in from 2S to 6S Lipos. Then we have my Fatshark HD3 goggles with a Rapidfire module and Lumenier antennas. Stubby, I think Lumenier Stubby antenna. And a little lens protector, 3D printed lens protector. Then we have, of course, a little drone, a little Whoop, in this case Beta FPV 75 Pro Whoop, with some spare props, a little bit dental floss for the prop mounting and some other stuff, some screws, spare screws and spare stuff. Then we have a big 3S 2600 milliamp hour Lipo for my goggles and some two smaller Lipos also for my goggles here, and some spare batteries for the transmitter, the Lipos for the drone, of course, and a big Lipo 4S 8000 milliamp hour with two chargers from Vifly Whoopstor charger. And here you can see my Beta FPV Lava Lipos. And that's about it. Maybe some Lipo voltage testers. And of course some other stuff like SD cards, some here to brush the drone when it's dirty, some screwdrivers and some other stuff. All you need in one box. And I think that's about it. And like I said, sometimes I take my laptop with me with a little USB cable to plug in the drone. A little bit modified to fit better on the drone. Here we have a little ventilator, USB ventilator to cool down the drone when it is plugged in the computer. Here we have a lap timer from my friend. And this is my Lipo Heater box, an external power bank, USB cable, and my Lipo Heater, self-made Lipo Heater for more performance of my whoops, and some cables. This one here is an external power source for the little 1S chargers from Vifly, and this one here is to plug in my goggles. So I don't need goggles, Lipos for my goggles when I fly indoors. And that's it.